That's our story.
Yes. And this word that you just heard is not fairy tale, not a make-up story. It's really what happened to our foreparents.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my dear.
How are you?
I'm doing okay, feeling good.
All right. Who are you?
My name is Esrome Durant, better known as Bob, from
Um,
St. Vincent, but I work here in Union Island as a forest warden.
all right, all right. And so we've been talking for a long time now, and you've been singing for us,
Yes,
and you would like to share some of your creation.
good.
So go ahead.
What they did to our ancestors, it made me cry. With chains on their feet, and on their hands, around their neck, as if they were animals. So, when I remember what they did to African, it made me cry. What they did to our ancestors, it made me cry. They stole them from Africa, they brought them to the Caribbean. In terrible condition, some didn't make it to land. So, when I remember what they did to Africans, it made me cry. What they did to our ancestors, it made me cry. They steal our diamond, they steal our pearl, they steal our gold, they steal our silver and land. So, when I remember what they did to Africans, it makes me cry. What they did to our ancestors, it made me cry. Do. They took them to Ballison. They tried to wipe them off the face of the earth. But by the powers of the Most High, some of them survived. And we outnumbered and stronger now. When I remember what they did to Africans, it makes me cry. What they did to our ancestors, it made me cry. With chains on their feet and on their hands, around their necks, as if they were animals. They carried a heavy load on a rocky road. Yeah, that's
Nice. So you were telling me that when that song came to your mind, you were actually
why I
crying.
cried.
You cried.
And many times when I practicing this song, I always sometimes feel to cry. But I try to get rid of the
Yeah, you always feel away.
yeah.
And even I, when I heard it first, I got emotional actually. I had to hold back my tears because I'm actually working. I'm at work. Yes, I am. But it's the reality. That's our story.
Yes. And this word that you just heard is not fairy tale, not a make-up story. It's really what happened to our foreparents. It's really, it's heartbreaking. Our foreparents really go through a lot of things for us.
Yeah.
So we gotta pay tribute to them and love them.
True, true. And as you're saying in the song, we are stronger now.
Yeah.
We
Now we
are.
number and stronger now.
We are. And I can tell you we are in Union Island right now.
Chatham, the beautiful place.
And we can see the resilience. We can see nature growing back already 1 year, almost and a half after Hurricane Beryl. So yeah, we are strong, resilient, and we are beautiful people, I would say.
Yes,
And
of
we,
course.
as you said earlier, we are one.
We all are one.
All right. Thank you.
We want all hands to involve in the reconstruction. We got to start the reconstruction to rebuild this beautiful land. On deck, we want all hands to involve in the reconstruction. You can see the rocks on the hillside. 80% of the trees damaged. A few loss of lives, homes and business destroyed, total devastation on Union Island. So we got to start the reconstruction to rebuild this beautiful land. On deck, we want all hands to involve in the reconstruction. Thank God there will came broad daylight. If it was night, there could have been more loss of lives. So thank God for His loving kindness and His tender mercies to us all. So we got to start the reconstruction to rebuild this beautiful land of ours on deck. We want all hands to involve in the reconstruction. Many persons are affected in one way or the other. Persons are frustrated. Many persons are really frustrated. So we got to start the reconstruction to rebuild this beautiful land. Oh yes, on deck. We want all hands to involve in the reconstruction. Thank you, thank you.
My
We got to come
pleasure.
together and build this beautiful nation.
So you wrote this song right after Beryl?
Just about 3 weeks after Beryl, I wrote this song. You have a guy named Stanton Gomes wanted to have something for because the island was so devastated. The people, like out of their mind, they have just scattered. So Stanton invited me and a guy Mark Simmons to do something at the square for build up back the spirit.
Okay.
So I just put these words together
Mm-hmm.
and did it for the first time there. But they haven't reached nowhere. But I want the world to know it. I sorry it couldn't done before, but nothing happened before the time. So that was the time, and I got it done. Thanks to this beautiful love here to help me. You are one people, one nation, one God, one aim, one destiny.
One people, one nation, for true.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah. To build their empire. Those wicked thieves and murderers. Disciples of Lucifer. They suck us like vampire. Ba-da-da-da. To build their empire. Those wicked thieves and murderers. Disciples of Lucifer. They stole us from Africa, from the land of our ancestors. They brought us to the Caribbean to work on their plantation. See, they suck us like vampire to build their empire. Those wicked thieves and murderers, disciples of Lucifer. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Free yourself, my brothers, and free your brother man. Yes, they suck us like vampire. To build their empire. Those wicked thieves and murderers, disciples of Lucifer. They brainwash us with their education to control the black man. They kill our men and rape our ladies. and still they hide our history. Yes, they suck us like vampire, uh-huh, to build their empire. Those wicked thieves and murderers, disciples of Lucifer. But we want reparation for all the evil you do to black men. See, we walk in the burning sun to build your big mansion. Yes, we want reparation for all the evil you do to black men. You see, we walk in the burning sun to build your big mansion. One
All
love.
right. Thank you, Esrome. So you were telling me that these songs are not recorded,
Not
but
recorded. It's first time this song is recorded. I want the
oh,
world to hear it. I want the world to know it. It's for the world, not for me alone.
yeah, it is. And you told me that you share them on stage. When and where?
Just the first one.
Uh huh.
In St. Vincent, in National Hero Day last year.
Okay.
So this first time I'm doing it, like kind of official, yeah.
Okay. So will you be on stage again in 2026? Who
Yes.
knows?
And I want to go, I want to try the world. I want the
Okay.
world to get this song.
So book him. Book him.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.